Assalamu alaikum. November 6, 2024 President CBA Hidayatullah Khan held a meeting with him. Ali Ahmad Lashari Nazim Khan was also with him. The meeting was attended by Mr. Jadun Arif Tanoli Wajid Ali Khan Asif Muqam Niyaz Muhammad Khan, the President of the People's Labour Bureau Sindh, President Habib Ud Din Junaidi Karachi, President Aslam Samud, General Secretary Hussain Badshah, Senior Vice President Manzoor Malla, Deputy General Secretary Amin Baloch, District Malir, the Central General Secretary of Muhammad Ali. Pakistan Post, Imran Jamali, People's Labour Unity. In other participants, Muhammad Naseem Rao, Abdulrazak Maimun, Rifat Razi, Nazir Tahir, Muhammad Iqbal, Muhammad Asghar Khan Niyaz, Muhammad Khan Jahangir, Zeb Abdul Ghani was present on this occasion. Muhammad Naseem Rao and Abdul Razak Maimun were admitted on a nomination for the representation of Pakistan, and the special guest of the meeting was also admitted to Habibuddin Janeti Sahib. Attendance on the subject of PIA's privatization in the meeting informed their own feedback. Habibuddin Janeti assured his possible support by his side in his union struggle against the privatization of PIA. In his speech, Aslam Sim said in his speech that all the hard work of Karachi are with him in every process of PIA union, and the hard work of all the district and institutions in Karachi will be fully supported in every process with CBA. Report by Chief Reporter N.I. Bakshi. Abdul Wahid Khan, Information Secretary, People's Labour Bureau, Karachi Division.